CODACA molding power choke for digital amplifier CSAD series, including 0660, 0880, 10103 different sizes. And the inductance values range from 1.5 to 47 microhenry. The saturation current range from 4.2 to 25 amps. It's designed with 2-in-1 magnetic shielded structure, assembled with 2 molding power chokes in one package, which can replace the 2 inductors required in Class D audio amplifier to save the PCB space. The coplanarity of the terminal is controlled within 0.15 ohm to assure the soldering stability. The CSAD series is designed with alloy powder to achieve low loss and excellent soft saturation characteristics, which can handle high transient current peaks. The 2-in-1 low coupling structure design saves surface mounting area. Magnetic shielded structure to improve anti-interference ability. Can minimize crosstalk between integrated inductors. All of the above characteristics can greatly improve the signal-to-noise ratio and reduce harmonics distortion. It is very suitable as a low-pass filter design for digital amplifiers. CSAD series are widely used for Class D digital amplifiers, home theater, multimedia speakers, car audio, and much more. They are Rose REACH compliant and halogen-free. For more information or samples, please visit CODACA.com. Search CSAD and use CODACA online design tool to check losses.